Hey YouTubers, Dave here, Dr. Jewelry. Thanks for tuning in. I'd like to show you one of my favorite little tools at the moment. It's a ring stretcher. Alright, you can see I have a ring here. I have just recently made. And it needs to go up a squidgen in size. Let's just grab the ring stick. Okay, the ring stick. Just over 12 and a half. And I need to bump it up just a quarter size. Alright, so you can see this is the split mandrel. The little rod that goes up and down, that's what stretches the ring out. The surface is quite, got lots of marks on it. I think it's from when it was milled, so that can actually transfer over to the inside of the ring, which is extra work standing out. So I saw something online that was a bit of a tip how to prevent a marking on the inside of the ring. They call it the plastic bag method. With a little shopping bag, put it over. See, kind of there, and you can put your ring like that, put it down. We're only going to go up a smidgen, okay? Okay, let's just do twist and just test the size because we're only going up a quarter. So that's going to quite split a bit. Do it again. As you can see, that took all of a couple minutes. If you look at the ring, inside and out, it had no impact whatsoever on the finish using the plastic bag. So yeah, that's just a quick tip. Appreciate you watching. Catch you next time.